Hi beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My returning subscribers, I truly salute for una. And if today is your first time watching any of my video, please don't forget to subscribe to join the family. Also turn your notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I upload a new video. So guys, in this today's tutorial is a short video. Like, I just want to show you guys how to grow your natural hair. If you're on low cut, or if you're a guy you're trying to grow your hair, so just pay attention and watch how I'm doing this lovely puff puff braid. It's called puff puff braid here. So that's the only way you grow the natural hair. Like, if you want your hair to grow faster, just use this method. You guys will love and you will like how your hair is growing. So now, first thing, you wash the hair. After washing it, you go ahead, you apply your cream just to moisturize the scalp. So after that, you begin to braid the hair. So what you're going to use, you're using thread, like black thread. That's what you use because it's more tinier, so it will help you to hold the hair firm and it will make the hair to pull out on time. Can you see? So while you're trying to do this lovely puff puff, don't make it too tight. Like I keep saying it, there's no any enjoyment making hair too tight. Rather than to give headache, just hold it firm. Don't make it too tight. Can you see, guys? So after that, you begin to, can you see, you just wrap it like two times, then you secure it by tying it. Just make sure you tie it well. Can you see? So after, when you are done tying it, you just cut the excess wool away. Can you see? So I want the braid to stand one. That's why I decided to cut the thread away. Like in the olden days, the method they used to do this puff puff, so you don't have to cut it away. You just use the thread, like you turn it over to another hair to hold it together. But this particular one, I just want it to stay one. That's why I'm using this method. Like, if you prefer the olden days method, you can go ahead and use the method, but to me, I prefer this method and I love using this method. So guys, that's how you keep going with this lovely puff puff braid. So make sure you tie it well. These are the one I've done so far. Can you see, guys? It's looking neat and beautiful. So that's how you keep going with this lovely tutorial. So if you are trying to do this puff puff as a beginner, make sure you use box cutting method. So that's the only way to help the puff puff to pump out very well the way you want it. So make sure you use this cutting and make sure you do the individual to make your work look so neat and to make it more professional. That's how you keep going with this lovely puff puff braid. Please, if you haven't subscribed to this channel, please go ahead, leave a comment in the comment section. And if you guys love watching this tutorial, go ahead and give the video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment in the comment section if you enjoy watching this tutorial. Don't forget to share to your friends and family. Please share to your friends and family. I know you guys will be like, why are we still sharing this video, as in the tutorial is not something serious? But trust me, there's some people out there that cannot do this lovely puff puff braid. That's the reason why you need to share it to them. Sharing is part of caring. So that's how you keep going, guys. This puff puff, you can wear wig with it, you can braid on it. Yes, you can braid on it. This is the final look of the braid. You can see, yeah, this is my May client. Is in love with the L style. Can you see his action? Thank you. Bye bye.